In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Invoices, how to create and apply credit notes, 5 minutes. A credit note lets you reduce or reverse part of an invoice when there's an overcharge, a returned item, or a pricing adjustment. I'll walk you through the exact flow in Xero so you can confidently create and apply one without affecting the rest of your records. First, head to the Xero login page and click Login. Enter your email and password securely and complete any two-step authentication if prompted. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. From here, open the business menu at the top and select Invoices. This takes you to your sales invoices list. Switch to the Awaiting Payment section to see invoices that have been approved but not fully paid. Choose the invoice that needs a credit adjustment by clicking its reference or number to open it. On the invoice screen, look for the three-dot menu in the upper corner. Click that, then select Create and Apply Credit. This option automatically links the credit to the invoice you're viewing, which helps prevent mistakes and keeps your audit trail clean. You're now in the credit note editor. Review the pre-filled customer details and date. In the line items, adjust the description, quantity, and amounts to reflect what you're crediting. If the original invoice included tax, make sure the tax rate on the credit matches so the net effect is accurate. You can credit a partial amount, just enter the portion you need to reverse. It's a good idea to add a brief reason in the description, like price adjustment or returned goods, so anyone reviewing later understands why the credit was issued. Also, confirm the account code matches the original revenue account used on the invoice for consistent reporting. Before approving, double-check currency, totals, and any rounding. If your organization tracks projects or items, align those fields with the original invoice lines. When everything looks correct, click Approve. Xero immediately applies the credit against that invoice and reduces its outstanding balance. If the credit equals the remaining balance, the invoice will move to paid. If the credit is larger than what's owed, the remainder becomes an available credit on the customer's account that you can apply to future invoices. To verify, return to the invoice and review the updated balance and activity section. You'll see the credit note listed there, confirming it's applied. That's it. Log in, open invoices, choose the bill to fix, create and apply the credit, make necessary edits, and approve. With this workflow, your customer statements, tax, and revenue reports stay accurate and tidy.